Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Zen Sand Garden is probably one of the most captivating and serene additions you can make to your home or office, offering a miniature landscape designed for mindfulness and stress relief, allowing you to rake intricate patterns into the fine sand, arrange stones, and create a tranquil space that promotes focus and calm amidst the chaos of daily life, making it an ideal tool for meditation and a beautiful decorative piece. Number 5. Zen Garden Kit for Desk. Transform your desk into a peaceful sanctuary with this exquisite Zen Garden Kit. It's designed to bring tranquility and mindfulness right to your workspace. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This deluxe set is beautifully packaged, offering a pathway to inner peace for yourself or a loved one. It's the perfect Japanese-inspired present. Elevate your home or office with authentic Japanese decor. This set includes premium features like cherry blossom trees, a torii gate, and serene rocks for endless creative arrangements. Enjoy the calming experience with our safe, high-quality sand, specifically chosen for its sparkle and safety. The large wooden tray ensures no spills, keeping your space tidy. Delve into the rich history and culture behind each element. Our unique guide provides insights into the meaning of the features, enhancing your meditation practice. Indulge your imagination and master the art of sand raking. With 6 handcrafted tools, you can create beautiful patterns and find creative expression in this calming indoor garden. What we like? This one comes packed with 15 premium features, offering endless arranging possibilities. It even includes a unique guide to discover the history and culture behind the elements. If you're looking for a rich, immersive experience with lots of decorative options and educational value, this is the one for you. What people say. The Zen Sand Garden is a beautiful and calming addition to any desk or living space. It comes with a variety of tools, including a rake, a small shovel, and a few decorative stones, allowing for creative designs. The sand is fine and smooth, perfect for creating intricate patterns and designs. Number 4. Zen Sand Garden for Desk, Medium. This is a complete Zen decoration kit, perfect for creating a peaceful moment of meditation. It includes a solid wood tray, white sand, a bamboo rake, rocks, and 2 figures. Give yourself a well-deserved break with this mindfulness set. It's perfect for relaxation and meditation at the office or at home, helping you release stress. This minimalistic design, inspired by Japanese culture, is proven to relax the mind and transmit positive energy. It's made from premium quality materials to enhance your meditation. Surprise your friends or family with this thoughtful and multipurpose gift. Its relaxing qualities will lift anyone's energy, making it a remarkable ornament. We value your well-being and ensure a premium relaxation experience. If for any reason you're not satisfied, we will fully reimburse you. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for a peaceful moment of meditation, including a solid wood tray, sand, rake, and figures. Its minimalistic design is crafted to relax the mind and transmit positive energy. If you desire a straightforward, high-quality set that's perfect for releasing stress and enhancing your space with positive vibes, consider this option. What people say. The Zen Sand Garden is a perfect size for my desk, not too big and not too small. I love the variety of tools that come with the Zen Sand Garden, they are all very well made. The sand is very fine and smooth, perfect for creating intricate patterns. Number 3. ENSO Zen Garden Desk Tray. Loved by therapists, this natural bamboo Zen Garden Kit helps with emotional regulation and stress relief. It creates a peaceful space for grounding in your home, office, or classroom. Feel the soothing textures as you interact with the elements. Watch mesmerizing patterns form in the sand, guiding you into a meditative state of flow. Designed for anxiety relief, this kit offers a hands-on retreat. Raking or rolling spheres soothes the nervous system and supports tactile mindfulness. Trusted by professionals, this desk garden helps children and adults regulate emotions and self-soothe. It encourages bonding through calming, mindful interaction. This makes a thoughtful gift for anyone needing calm and clarity. It includes everything needed for daily focus and peace. What we like? This garden is therapist recommended for calming and focus, featuring a patented elemental design with textured spheres representing earth, wind, fire, and water. It's designed to engage your senses and help you find your flow. If you're seeking a tool for emotional regulation, stress relief, or a hands-on retreat for tactile mindfulness, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The sand is fine and soft, perfect for creating intricate patterns. The included rake is well made and allows for precise control over the sand. The wooden base is sturdy and provides a stable surface for the garden. Number 2. Mini Zen Garden Desktop Sand Garden. Bring a sense of calm and tranquility to your space with this complete sand table. It's perfectly sized for your desk or home, offering an immersive Zen garden experience. This set includes everything you need for your Zen garden, from various trees and a pagoda to a bridge, pavilion, and boat. It also comes with multiple rakes and stones for endless creative possibilities. Enhance your meditation practice and create a calming atmosphere. This tabletop garden helps release stress and brings a sense of contemplative peace to your environment. Feeling stressed at work? Simply rake the sand in your rock garden to calm yourself. Focusing on this repetitive motion can help free your mind from everyday worries. This makes a wonderful gift for yourself or a loved one. Gorgeously packaged, it's a delightful luxury Zen gift set that brings peace and joy. What we like. This mini Zen garden offers a substantial and stable feel with its 10x7 tray and comes with an impressive 18 accessories, including various trees, structures, and stones. It's designed to bring the immersive fun of a Zen garden to any small space. If you want a compact yet feature-rich option that feels solid and provides a wide array of decorative elements for a calming atmosphere, this is a great pick. What people say. The Zen Sand Garden is a beautiful and calming addition to any space. It comes with a variety of tools for raking the sand, allowing for creative designs. The compact size makes it perfect for desks or small tables. Number 1. 14x10 Large Japanese Zen Garden Kit. Introducing a large Japanese Zen Garden Kit, designed to bring peace to your desk. Its generous size offers ample space for creative expression and decoration. This kit comes with over 25 meticulously crafted accessories. You'll find various trees, stones, a bridge, a well, and much more to personalize your serene landscape. Enhance your meditation practice and create a calming atmosphere. This tabletop garden is designed to help release stress and bring contemplative peace to your space. Feeling overwhelmed? Simply rake the sand and focus on the repetitive motion. This simple act can help free your mind from daily stresses and promote relaxation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This high-end Zen garden set is gorgeously packaged and makes a delightful present for anyone seeking inner peace and joy. What we like. This is the largest option, featuring a 14x10 wooden pallet that offers more space for creative arrangements and includes over 25 accessories, even an incense burner. It's perfect for creating more possibilities and a deeply calming atmosphere. If you're looking for maximum space to express your creativity and a comprehensive set that includes unique items like an incense burner for enhanced relaxation, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Zen Sand Garden is a beautiful and calming addition to any space, perfect for meditation or stress relief. The set includes a variety of tools for raking the sand, allowing for creative designs and patterns. It's a great conversation starter and a unique decorative piece that brings a sense of tranquility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.